Hello everyone, today we will learn how to download and install Java in your Windows machine. So before installing Java, first of all we will check either Java is already installed in your machine or not. For that, you can go to the search bar and go to command prompt. Here you will type a command java-version. So if this kind of message is already coming in your machine, that means Java is not installed in your machine and you need to install it. So we will go to Google and we will type JDK download. So we will click on the first icon and we will go here. Here we have multiple options. So I prefer to click on this one .exe. I have already downloaded it. So once you click here, the download process will start. I have already downloaded it. I'll show you in the download folder. So this type of exe you will see, you have to double click it. Click on next. This is the path where your Java will be installed. You can also change it from here, but I suggest you not to change it because this is a default path. So in future, if you do some references and in the coming days, if you require to do system variable setting, it will be difficult for you. So I prefer not to change it. Else, if you still want to change it, you can change it from here. We'll click on next. So see, it will show you a message that Java development kit of 17.0.1 successfully installed. Click on close. Java download and installation process is already done. So once this is done, we need to do one more thing, that is setting the system variables. Go to control panel. Here you will type system variable. Click on the first option, that is edit the system environment variable. Here go on environment variables and look for the option that is path. This one. Click on edit and go to edit text. So in edit text, you need to give this path. I already pasted this path. You can, if you want to see, you can go here, C drive, program files, Java. Inside Java, there will be a folder like JDK 17.0.1. Go inside it. Till bin, we need to copy this path. So I already copied it and pasted it here. Click on OK. After this, Java home environment variable we need to set. So in this we need to set till JDK folder. I'll show you till here. So this is the path. So new one, you can set the new one also. I'll delete this one for you and I'll create a new one. So the name should be in caps, Java home, and paste the path till JDK. Click on OK, click on OK and OK. That's it. So now we will see either the Java is installed in our machine or not. We need to confirm that thing using command prompt. See, Java is already installed in your machine. So what we will do is, this is the best way to confirm either Java is installed in your machine or not. You can go to command prompt and just type java-version from for today. If you like this video, you can share it with your friend and do subscribe to this channel. Step by step, we will cover all the Java tutorials and Java programs. Thank you so much for watching this video.